Hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to search for just photos in a chat. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, so when you're in a chat, all you want to do is just press search. And you have a couple of different things that you can do here. But if you click on this, like a filter thing on the right side of your screen there, and then click on has specific data, you can search for images, videos, links, files, embedded sounds, and all that other kind of different good stuff. But if obviously in this case, if you're looking for photos, you just press image, and then you can search a chat for just the images to try to find the image that you're looking for in said chat. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a Discord mobile tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.